Hello guys! This is Marge and isa po akong senior high school teacher na nagtuturo po ng ICT. Sa last week episode, gumawa po tayo ng ating YouTube channel. This time, gagawa naman po tayo ng ating brand name or logo na ilalagay natin sa ating brand new channel. Before po tayo gumawa ng ating logo magic making, pag-usapan muna natin why captivating brand name is essential for your YouTube journey. A great brand name instantly communicates your channel's essence and connects with your target audience. It's like the first impression that leaves a lasting impact. These channels gained their millions of subscribers because of their popularity dahil sa kanilang creativity, content quality, and uniqueness. These channels have achieved success by being innovative, providing value to their viewers, and having a clear understanding of their target audience. Iba-iba ang mga niches ng mga channels na nabanggit ko, but they all have one thing in common: a commitment to delivering engaging and quality content. Ngayon, meron na tayong awesome brand ideas. It's time to bring them to life using the Zarla Free Logo Maker. This is a user-friendly tool and definitely a game changer for content creator. Let's take a look at how to navigate through the platform and explore endless possibilities it offers. Don't worry, if you're not a design expert, Zarla has got your back. Alright, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get designing. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can create a logo that perfectly matches your brand name and overall channel vibe. From selecting colors and fonts to adding graphics and icons, we're going to cover it all. Get ready to witness the transformation of your ideas into a visual masterpiece. Hello guys! So now I'm gonna walk you through kung paano po natin gagawin ang ating logo. So una po natin i-open is ang ating Google Chrome or any web browser available on your computer or in your cell phone. Then sa address, so from Google, isa-search po natin ang Zarla Free Logo Maker, or pwede din po kayong direktang mag-type dito sa address bar. So, type po natin ang zarla.com. So, either way po is pwede po inyong gamitin. Okay, so this will be the homepage of our Zarla. So, to be clear po, hindi po ito promotional content, hindi po ito paid content by Zarla. Sinishare ko lang po talaga ito sa inyo kasi po, napasaya niya ako. Siya po yung nakagawa ng logo na napakadali lang, na wala na pong cheche boreche. Nagawa po niya ang aking logo na gusto in an instant. So, hindi po ito paid promotion video. So, wala pong kinalaman si Zarla dito. Okay? So, dito na po tayo sa homepage ng ating Zarla Create a Free Logo homepage. So, dito po sa enter brand name, dito nyo ilalagay kung ano ang brand name ng inyong YouTube channel. So, for example, gagawa kayo ng YouTube channel about food, restaurant, or bar. So, itatype nyo po dito ang brand name na representation ng inyong YouTube channel. For example, ilalagay ko po dito is food trip. Okay? So, ganun lang po kadali. Itatype mo lang po yung name ng inyong logo. Then, i-click nyo lang po ang Create Your Free Logo. Okay? So, magtatanong po si Zarla, what's your logo for? This will help them pick icons, colors, and more. So, ang niche po ng logo na gagawin natin is about food. So, ilalagay ko po dito is food trip, restaurant, and bar. Okay. Then, press natin po ang enter. So, Zarla will ask you a slogan, but kung wala pa po kayong naisip na ini-slogan po para sa inyong YouTube brand, pwede nyo po itong skip. Then, click nyo lang po ang next. Okay, so why do you need a logo? Para po sa ito.
I sell a products, I offer services, or I will be starting a business soon. So, for now, for this tutorial, i-click ko lang po ang I offer services. Then, would you like to customize icons? So, search for icons. Zarla will choose icons for you. So, i-click lang po natin yung option na ito. Then, there you have it. Meron na po tayong different types of logo on different colors, on different prints, on different icons. So, nasa sa inyo na po kung ano ang inyong pipiliin about food trip. So, anyway, mas maganda pa rin po na yung icons na gagamitin natin is related din po dun sa ating brand name. 'Di ba? So, i-click lang po natin design more logos if you think yung mga naunang suggestion is hindi nyo po gusto or mayroon pa po kayong gustong hanaping ibang design. So, yan. So, ito na yon. Okay. Okay, so ito yung pipiliin kong logo. Okay, click lang po natin ito. Then, mapupunta tayo po dito wherein pwede natin customize ang ating logo. So, yung icon na ito is pwede nyo pong palitan ng kulay. I-click yung change color 1 and change color 2 is representation po yan ng icons natin dito. So, i-click mo lang dito, kung gusto mong palitan yung kulay, click mo lang po yung icon na color na ito, then select color that you want. Okay? Halimbawa, yellow and color combination ng green. Okay. So, ito po yung magiging kulay niya. Or gusto nyo yung green dito, then yellow naman yung sa baba. Okay. Then, if hindi po kayo satisfied dito sa icons na napili sa inyo ni Zarla, pwede din po kayo, may option kayo to select any icons na sa tingin ninyo is much better compared dun sa nauna. So, for demonstration, pipili lang po tayo ng ganito. Halimbawa, papalitan natin. Ayan. Then, papalitan din natin yung kulay. Gagawin natin medyo bright. Medyo parang cool yung vibe. So, papalitan natin siya ng blue. Parang volleyball. Okay, papalitan natin yung yellow ng black. Okay. Done. Parang volleyball. So, palitan na natin nito. So, ito box. Na. Okay. Then, gusto mong palitan yung font style ng pangalan. Yung food trip, palitan natin. Dito ka pupunta sa side. Meron ditong name. So, yan. Pwede kayong mag-change dito ng color. Gawin natin black. Then, may spacing din tayo. Spacing ng mga characters. Each letter. Okay. Yan. So, balik na natin kanina. Then, pwede natin palakihin yung size ng text. Okay, so ito na po yung ating logo na nagawa, food trip. So, ito po yung magiging itsura ng ating logo pag na-print po ito sa t-shirt, sa ating business card. Then, ito po yung magiging itsura niya pag nakita niyo sa inyong cellphone. Any merch po na gusto ninyong gawin, ito po yung magiging itsura niya. Okay? Then, pwede rin po kayo maglagay dito ng background. So, yung background po na kulay dito is parang gray. So, pwede nyo pong palitan yan ng color white. Okay, ayan. So, naging white na po yung background ng ating logo. If all set na po at okay na po ito para sa inyo, then lalagay na po natin dito ang ating email address. So, any valid email address kung saan po isi-send ni Zarla ang logo na nagawa natin. Click lang po natin ang free download. Okay, your logo package has been sent to your email. So, i-click lang po natin, our download link has been sent to your marjolsolis@gmail.com. So, ang gagawin po natin is, open po tayo ng new tab and i-open po natin ang ating email address dito sa ating Gmail account. Ayan, so nandito na po ang ating logo package. I-click lang po natin ito. Then, okay, so i-click lang po yung download logo design. Ayan, suitable for high resolution digital and medium resolution print use. Meron pong i-offer sa inyo si Zarla na mga different color combination ng ating logo. Meron pong ditong PNG, na ganito yung kulay. Meron din pong monochrome at saka yung may background na black. So, any po sa tatlo nito is pwede nyo pong i-download each. So, again, pwede nyo po ito i-download isa-isa. Then, click nyo lang po yung button na download here. Automatic maglalagay po siya dito sa ating download directory. Then, click nyo rin po ito download. And, ito po. Okay? So, okay na po. Meron na po tayong ng ating logo. So, next naman po natin gagawin is ilalagay na po natin siya sa ating YouTube channel. So, for this episode, i-open po natin ang ating YouTube channel. So, saan niyo po makikita pala yung na-download ninyong logo? So, punta lang po tayo dito sa ating File Explorer. Sa atin pong download directory, nandito po nakalagay ang ating logo na nagawa. So, balik po tayo sa ating YouTube. Punta po tayo sa YouTube channel. Then, click lang po natin yung icon sa taas. And, tingnan lang po natin, open po natin ang ating YouTube Studio. Okay, so dito po sa ating YouTube Studio, pwede po nating palitan yung ating channel icons or logo dito. So, punta po tayo sa customization. Ayan. Then, punta po tayo dito sa branding. Then, i-change po natin ang ating logo picture dito. Click nyo lang po ito ang change. Then, pili ka po dito ng any logo na gusto natin. So, ito po yung pipiliin ko dahil ito po yung original ko na ginawa. Yan. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya sa inyong YouTube channel. Then, click nyo lang po ang done. Okay. Then, don't forget to click publish. Changes, publish, go to channel. Okay, so there you have it po. Nakita nyo na, nag-change na po yung ating brand logo ng ating YouTube. Then, meron na po tayo ditong bagong logo sa ating YouTube channel.
Wow, you guys are doing an amazing job. Our logo is taking shape beautifully. Consistency is the key and will make sure your brand identity shines bright across the platform. We have reached the end of our branding adventure, and I'm truly impressed with the creativity you've shown today. Remember, your YouTube brand is a representation of you and your content.